Hey, I have a person along with me. She speaks in Malayalam, and I don't understand Malayalam. And I only know English, and she doesn't know English. Can you translate our conversation?
Of course, I'd be happy to help with that. Just let me know what you'd like to say, and I'll translate it into Malayalam for you. And if she says something, I'll translate that into English. Let's get started.
ചേട്ടാ ഇത് ഏതാ സ്ഥലം? എനിക്ക് കോറമംഗലയ്ക്കൊന്ന് പോണം. എങ്ങനെയാ പോകാ?
She's asking where this place is and also how to get to Koramangala from here. Could you share your location? That way, I can give her directions in Malayalam.
This place is Kanakpura Road. You have to go straight from here to JP Nagar. And from JP Nagar, you have to hit Silkport. And from there, you can go to Koramangala.
Thank you. Here's how you can explain it to her in Malayalam. ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് JP നഗരിയിലേക്കൊന്ന് നേരെ പോകണം. അവിടെ നിന്ന് സിൽക്ക് ബോർഡ് വരെ പോയി അവിടെ നിന്ന് സിൽക്ക് ബോർഡിൽ നിന്ന് കൊരമംഗലയിൽ എത്താം.
വാവ്, സൂപ്പർ.